Next problem. Relative permittivity and permeability of a material are epsilon r and mu r. Now this is electrical permittivity and this is magnetic permeability. Which of the following values of these quantities are allowed for a diamagnetic material? Now as far as the electric permittivity is concerned, we know that the value of E r is always more than 1. Okay, it is equal to 1 only in the case of vacuum. Okay, otherwise it is always greater than 1. Now in case of mu r, relative permittivity, the value depends upon the type of material. Now in case of diamagnetic material, which is defined by its property that when it is kept in a magnetic field, the magnetic dipoles that are created inside the material is in the opposite direction. Thus it reduces the magnetic effect inside the material. So if you compare the magnetic field inside, it will be lesser than that of the magnetic field which is outside. Okay, so there mu r is less than 1. Okay, so among the 4 options, only option B, in which epsilon r is more than 1 and mu r is less than 1, is correct. In all other cases, the values are incorrect. Now let us look at the next problem. 2 full turns of the circular scale of a screw gauge cover a distance of 1 mm on its main scale. Okay, now what does that mean? So let us again read. The total number of divisions on the circular scale is 50. Now when you take 2 turns, 1 turn and the second turn, the total number of divisions that you have turned around is 100. And when you turn 100 divisions on the circular scale, the movement on the main scale is only 1 mm. So 1 division on the circular scale is equal to 1 by 100 of an mm. Okay, this you can call it as 1 least count, which is 0.01 mm. Okay, now further it is found that the screw gauge has a zero error of minus 0.03. that means this is a negative zero error. So this value, zero error, has to be added, that is 0.03 mm is to be added in any measurement. While measuring the diameter of a thin wire, a student notes the main scale reading of 3 mm. So main scale reading is 3 mm and the number of circular scale divisions in line with the main scale is 35. So circular scale reading is 35. So the diameter of wire is, so the value will be given by main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count plus zero error. Main scale reading is 3 mm, circular scale reading is 35, least count is 0.01 and zero error is 0.03. So this is 3.0.35 plus 0.03. This is 3.38 mm. This is the diameter.